Hey, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to the Annotate tab and to the Detail line, which is we can create any line we want in the plan, in the sections, in the elevations. So it's like something similar to the lines of AutoCAD. So let's click on it, or alternatively, we can use the shortcut DL. DL. So it shows that in which type of lines we can create our things or the line style we want. So it's thin line. So let me click here to see the line, okay, and change the line. It's thin line. Let's go to the beyond. And actually, one thing that I want to mention is that let's make this one bold. The line's bold. I'll press on TL, or you can alternatively go to here to uncheck this. So let's see, it's beyond center line. This is center line as it says. Let's have it as long as possible so we can see it. This is beyond. This is demolish it. This is hidden lines. This is hidden. This is lines. This is medium line. This is overhead. And this is path of travel lines. And we have thin lines and we have white lines. I'll keep it as the thin line, and this is not the ideal way to draw something, and I want to have something like hatch. How can I do it? I will delete this, and I'm trying to create a representation of my shaft, okay, which is here. How can I do it? Actually, you can go to the near to the detail line, which is the friend of it, fillet region, which is, you can see the animation that pops up and it shows you how to create the region. It's actually like hatch in the AutoCAD, but in Revit it's called region. We have filled region and masking region. I'll go with the filled region, which is this one in the original one, or you can click on this. I'll go with this one. This says save. I will not save it, and I will go with the line, normal line, and I will click here. Let me turn on this so I can see the lines that I am trying to draw. Okay, the representation of shaft, it's something like this. Okay, it is nearly something like this. Okay, so keep in mind you have to have your chain on. Okay, so don't forget it, and let's try to say finish edit mode, and as you can see, something like this is created. This is not what I want actually, so I'll go to the properties, and I have many type: crosshatch, I have crosshatch transparent, I have diagonal down, I have diagonal down, transparent, I have diagonal up, I have horizontal, I have ortho or crosshatch, and I have solid black, and I have vertical, and wood 2. And we can add hatches to our in the exterior in the external files, but this is not our aim for this lecture. We'll go the solid black, and we can see our representation of uh, our hatch of, or let's say the shaft. So I'll go to the edit boundary. Something I don't like is that I would like to see, okay, make some changes. Let's see if I can. Yeah, it's true. So no need to make any change. Okay, so something like this is representing our shaft. So we don't have any element that representing. We should create it unfortunately by ourselves. So I'm selecting this, and I'm going to Control C. Control C. I want to have it on the first floor. So you might say, yes, let's go Control V. This is the wrong way that we did. And the correct way is that escape it and go to the Modify tab and go to the Paste and drop down menu. Say align it to current view. Paste elements that were cut or copied from another view into the current view. So click on it and no more to add anything. Okay, just you don't need to place it anywhere, just paste this. Okay, let's go to the second floor. Oh, let me just go out. It was going to rename it. Let's go to the align it to current view. This is how we could do it. You can do the elevators too with this command. Copy and go to the align it to selected views. Okay, like this. So this is how we created this with the region, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.